the young and talented future star of Philippine boxing is Kenneth the Lover Boy Llover!
Headbutt, back of the head, anything below the belt. Okay, give me a clean fight. Okay, touch glove.
Take a look at the size of their physique.
Frame-wise.
Right hand of Llover. And that defense of Luis Concepcion, very porous, very early in this fight.
Llover was greeted by a very motivated crowd, and Llover is putting on a show early on. Llover keeping both hands busy. They get entangled here. Out of Concepcion. Time down to 24 seconds. Oh, big right hand by Llover.
And remember, Llover is the southpaw with a towering height advantage.
Oh, good jab. He's using his jab properly.
And look at the way he's moving around. It's something that Concepcion does not want Llover to do. He doesn't want Llover to move around. He wants him a standing target.
Yes.
Good movement here. Good.
Stake, we fight on. Good combination
Left
by
hand.
Llover. Llover is on the move.
This could be his killer punch. Once more, the left hand.
And he's
Concepcion.
tireless.
Yeah.
He's tireless. He has the energy.
Concepcion taking a lot of punishment here. Now you notice that Llover is not moving around any longer.
Whoa!
Big right hand.
Cracking shot.
And he's done.
Oh!
Right hand.
That is considered a knockdown. We have a count. It's 3, 4, it's 6, it's 7.
Red, okay, red. And right hand.
Llover sensing he could go over it.
Concepcion, now watch it right here. A beautiful right hand. Flush on the jaw. And Concepcion feeling the effects of that power going down, tumbling.
Concepcion, now watch it right here. A beautiful right hand. Flush at the jaw. And Concepcion feeling the effects of that power going down, tumbling
Down, he didn't have his balance, his legs buckled from under him. And right hand, a big one. And Concepcion going down, taking the count, but he was up.
down. Didn't have his balance, his legs buckled from under him. And right hand, the big one. And Concepcion going down. Taking the count, but he was
Up quickly. So he's down, he's been down once.
We'll try again.
Concepcion amazing, but look at him go.
Llover is going for it. And Llover swinging, throwing everything. And there's the knockdown. Llover swinging, throwing everything. And there's the knockdown. Here's the second. The count was on. 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. But you're right, he stands up very quickly.
Well, you know, his only defense is his offense. And he's not moving away. He's trying to fight back. He's still in Queer Street.
He wants to mix it up, actually. He's getting entangled. Llover throwing everything he has.
And look at Concepcion, he's just wailing away. He's fighting.
He's still Queer Street. He wants to mix it up, actually. He's getting entangled. Llover throwing everything he has. And look at Concepcion, he's just wailing away.
He's fighting instinctively.
You know,
Luis Concepcion of Panama.
age is not on his side. Energy, the venue.
And Llover doing a great job of spinning away from Concepcion.
You're right.
Look at the way he's able to create angles. He's beating six of
Of them is a testament to his staying power and to his fighting ability. Starting
Down in that particular exchange. Llover, however, quick to attack the body. He's going for a
Concepcion
big one
might be
here.
on his way out.
Concepcion, now defense anymore. He's going out of the ring. The corner of Llover pushes him back. He fights back with an uppercut.
the Lover Boy.
Oh, the pan!
And he clipped it with a left hook.
And into the body he goes.
And
Down
on
to
the
the body again. And he goes upstairs. Going downstairs and upstairs and upstairs again. Oh, the pan!
and he clipped it with the left hook.
And into the body he goes.
And
Down
on
to
the
the
right.
body again. And he goes upstairs. Going downstairs and upstairs and upstairs again.
Concepcion has no defense at this point.
Llover looks unscathed, although some punches have hit him. Uh-oh, Concepcion stooping down low. And Llover beginning to pressure the neck area of Concepcion. The usual tactic. In at the halfway mark of his 10-rounder.
Llover connected with the
Oh,
left
good
hand.
combination by Llover. Another one.
And this time he's using his left hand. Concepcion almost out of it.
Concepcion just hanging on.
I can't believe the height of this guy. He looks like the power of Llover
Has faded.
is no
Has
longer
ebbed.
as potent.
Oh, but the left hand finds the mark.
I don't know if I spoke too soon.
Not
But
a little, not much. Not really.
Here's that uppercut coming from Concepcion. He's throwing a lot more leather
Yes.
now than Llover. Right hand
And
coming from Concepcion.
the head of
He's-
Llover
he's
snaps
coming
back.
Left hand coming from Llover. No sting behind that punch.
And Llover must be wondering why is this guy still standing up.
Concepcion took that punch flush on the jaw, didn't flinch.
Length of the fight. He stayed within shooting range. He's been throwing punches. Big left hand, right hand on target by
Concepcion
Llover,
is
but
right
not
there.
enough power, as you mentioned.
He's in front of Llover and he's trading punches.
And Llover trying to go to the side. The fighter is enjoying the action.
End of the round.
Throwing punches. Big left hand. Enjoying the action.
End of the round.
There will be fights like this in the course of a boxer's career. There's a big left hand. Another one. Another one. And another one.
And he's just moving around Concepcion. That's the way he should fight Concepcion. He should fight smart.
And his midsection seems to be solid so far.
He's gone down twice, but he's been able to survive. As we said, this guy is a brave warrior.
Affected by the punches of Concepcion, and some of that power has ebbed because of that.
And Concepcion has been able to throw some
Big
nice
shots as well,
nifty,
yeah.
nifty punches. But it's more, I think it's more his stamina. He needs to be able to show a little more
Yes.
energy.
Ah, that's a cracking left hand. And he goes downstairs.
And Concepcion is still standing on his feet. But he's a come forward type of fighter. And if you're going up against a fighter who just forces his way inside, you have to know how to be able to counter that kind of attack.
Yes, minute and 15 remaining. Very rapid, snappy left hand being used by Llover. Concepcion has this habit of whirling around.
That's right, especially after he gets stabbed. You know, it catches his opponent off guard.
Corner of Llover asking him to bore in. Crowd sensing something special.
And Concepcion is staggering around the ring, taking a lot of punishment now.
Trying to use the ropes as protection.
And the referee's almost close to stopping this fight. And they
And
stop
it's
it.
done.
They stop
It's
the
done.
fight.
Trying to
this fight. And they stopped it. They stopped the fight.
Stop the fight. And Luis Concepcion has been stopped here in the 8th round. What a rousing victory here for Kenneth Llover.
Ladies
But
and
what
gentlemen,
a-
the pride of Peñalosa Boxing Stable and Commander Boxing Promotions from General Trias,